In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact TradingView. Whether you're stuck on a billing question, can't access a chart layout, or just need help navigating settings, this walkthrough will show you the quickest path to support using the official tools built into your account. To start, open your browser and go to the TradingView website. For the smoothest experience, sign into your account so support can see your plan and recent activity. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. On mobile, this may appear as your avatar or an initial. Clicking it opens a menu with account options. From this menu, choose Help Center. That takes you to TradingView's support hub, where you can search articles, check known issues, and get assistance. At the Help Center, start with the Chat Assistant. It's designed to answer common questions fast and guide you through troubleshooting. Type a brief, specific description of what you need. For example, I'm being charged but can't see my pro features, or my watch list isn't syncing. Include any on-screen error messages and when the problem started. The assistant will propose relevant articles, tools, or steps. Follow the prompts it gives you. Many issues are solved here without waiting for a human agent. If the bot asks clarifying questions, respond in the same chat window so it can refine solutions or escalate. If the chat doesn't solve it, look for the option that says, I still need help. Click that to move beyond automated help and create a support ticket. In the ticket form, choose the most accurate category for your issue, add a clear subject line, and write a concise description that includes what you were doing, what you expected, what actually happened, and steps you already tried. If there's a billing or subscription question, note your current plan and renewal date if you know it. For technical problems, mention your device, browser, and any extensions that might affect charts. The more precise you are, the faster support can reproduce and resolve your case. After submitting, you'll receive confirmation and updates by email. Keep an eye on your inbox and reply in the same thread if support requests more details. That's it. Go to TradingView, click your profile icon, open the Help Center, use the chat assistant, and, if needed, select I still need help to create a support ticket.